What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I got something for y'all today. As you guys saw from the title, I got my first vending machines on location, so today is part 1 of how I got that. I hope you enjoy. In about 10 minutes, my dad's gonna pick me up and then we're gonna go check out the machines, pay for it there, get some movers to bring it to my house, and then the plan after that is to find a location and hopefully everything's good. I think I'm gonna get these two. So you said 200 each?
Each, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I have the machines ready, and then now I just gotta find a location to put it.
Welcome to Variety.
Yeah, from that place there. How can I help you?
Hi, I offer free vending services in the LA area, and I was seeing if Le Meridian has any and would be interested in getting some.
Okay, I can transfer your code just for our hotel manager.
Hi, my name is Damien DeMessa, and I offer free vending machine services in the LA area. And I was wondering if you guys have any services, and if not, if you would be interested in me placing 2 machines in there. Please call me back whenever you can. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, my number. Bye.
My dude, you need to rehearse that. That was messy.
The first ones are always weird.
Step on an ice cube. That might help.
So it sounds like they're all gonna send me to their
General manager's voicemail. General manager. So my assistant general manager.
or if you're interested. And enjoy the rest of your night. Bye-bye. It is daytime. Why did I say night?
1 hour later.
We already have one.
Are you guys like happy with their service? They come consistently and everything?
Yes.
Oh, alright. That's okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, you're on.
Tough. Next one.
So we don't have any vending machines. We have the pantry.
Press 3. For accounting, press 4.
Just give me your name and number. I'll drop a note and let your manager know.
Okay, cool. So my name is Damien. Today is Thursday, April 14th, and I still have not gotten a location yet. I was supposed to have one by like now already, but I haven't found one yet. So right now I'm just gonna crank them out. I'm like exhausted from school, but I need to find one in the next couple of days. So I'm gonna just crank them out for an hour, and then I gotta get back to studying. But hopefully I could get a location in this next hour. All right, so I basically exhausted all of my hotels. I called some Home Depots. I called Living Spaces, and pretty much all of them said no. And like 2 or 3 of them are gonna call me back. But I got off the phone with a barbershop, and he said he would love vending machines, but there's no space in this shop in Monrovia. But he has another shop in Glendora. So he said he's gonna save my information and call me back whenever is a good time to talk. So yes, even though it's not a yes, I'm hyped. What's up guys, so I just got off the phone with the barber who has a shop in my hometown, and he said the only problem is he's not sure about if I'm interested in the foot traffic. But my goal right now is only to get it out of where the vending machines are at right now. So I could just put it there and then take it out if I need to. But right now, I think that's my first location secured. And yeah, this is where I can potentially put my machines at. Oh, they got a candy machine, the gumbo machine. Very cool. Yeah, but the owner's gonna be here soon. I'm gonna talk to him, and then we're gonna see where I can place it. I think it's gonna be back there. So I just met with the guy, and it definitely is a little bit slower traffic, but it's my first location, so I can't complain. He's got 5 barbers, and he said there's about 8 to 10 people per barber per day. I'm gonna have a snack and a drink machine in that location. So that doesn't sound terrible for my first location. Super chill guy. He was talking to me about financial freedom and stuff like that. And the only problem is I'm not sure if the drink machine is gonna fit in the door. And I didn't bring a measuring tape, but man, I gotta check that out. But besides that, this was a great interaction, and I'm excited to have my machines pulled in there. Good job, future me. Yeah, good job, future me, and YouTube, whoever else is watching. Yeah. So now we just gotta call the movers and get it in there. So till next time. I'm glad it's gonna be able to fit. So yeah, that's the process of me finding the machines, buying the machines, and finding the location. Then after that, I just had to move it and then fill it up. And moving it was actually one of the most stressful parts because I still had to find the movers. I had to find movers that I could afford. And then I had to find a time where they could move the machines that also lined up with a time that works for the seller to open up the facilities to take out the machines. And that also had to line up with a time that the owner would allow me to bring the machines in because he had customers in there and he didn't want me to get in the way. So it's all this, and then not to mention I couldn't even drive at this time. So my best friend drove 45 minutes to me, and then we drove another 45 minutes to the first location to pick up the machines, and then the location we were moving it to drop off the machines. And then on top of all this was all during finals week, so I was doing projects and studying all at the same time. So it was really stressful, but I did my best and it all worked out. And this is what I looked like the night before. Today is May 12th and it's 10:30 and I am exhausted, but tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is the day I get to move the machines in. So I have the movers ready, the barber shop ready, and the guy I'm buying the machines from ready to unlock the door for me to get it from at 12 o'clock tomorrow. So I'm gonna get the machines at 12 o'clock tomorrow. My best friend's gonna help me go over there. He's gonna drive me over there. Yeah, tomorrow's the day. I'm off of like 4 hours of sleep from doing a project last night. After I'm done filming this video, I'm about to write a 5-page essay that's due tomorrow. And I'm not encouraging you to procrastinate. Everything's been stacked up. I gotta go write this essay, and I will see you guys at the location tomorrow. So it is 2:10 in the morning, and I just got back to my dorm. I just finished my essay, and today is technically the day that I move the machines in. So later today, I'm gonna move the machines in. I'm really excited. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it to the end. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. But yeah, man, it's crazy. It's been a year since I filmed that video. And a lot's happened since I last posted, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So if you're new here and you want to see how I got started on this journey, check out my playlist right here. And if you have any more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. So till next time, I'll see you in the next video.